I'm going to read the problem and write equations as I read it. Mary's income is 60% more than Tim's. So that will be 1.6 times Tim. Because the way I get 1.6T is I would take Tim's income plus 0.6 times Tim. This 0.6 times T would give me the increase amount, and then you add it back to Tim's. Of course, there's a 1 understood there, so that's how I get 1.6T. Let me make my pencil fatter, okay. All right, and Tim's income is 40% less than Juan's. So that means Tim's is 60% of Juan's. What percent of Juan's income is Mary's? So what I'm trying to find, what percent of Juan's income, so I'm trying to find Mary over Juan. Well, we know that Mary's is 1.6T. What is Juan's? Juan's is, we'll solve this equation for this lower equation for Juan, and that's T divided by 0.6 equal 1. So 1.6T over T over 0.6. And of course, that's a complex fraction. And the way I like to get rid of complex fractions is I multiply top and bottom, the main numerator and the main denominator, by this secondary denominator, which is 0.6. So that gives me 1.6 times 0.6 T in the top. And then in the bottom, when I multiply T over 0.6, those cancel, and I'm just left with a T. And these T's cancel, and I'm left with 1.6 times a 0.6. And that 6 times 6 is 36, and that's 96. And move your decimal lower. So that's 96%, which is C.